Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a few weeks, but I've been gone for my National Guard duty and haven't been a chance to do anything. As you can see, it's finished assembly, painted all the way around, rugged landing gear. Spin I was talking about on the prop where it so they could see it spinning. I put the engine bays open so that they could be working on it. I've actually got ground crew for it that I'm going to paint on the channel. They're going to be a separate deal. Notice there's no markings yet. Tonight is decals. So I don't have my big box set up. But one thing that I have discovered is this decal fix. And what it does is it preps the surface for your decals. Now, I'm just gonna go over the markings. I'm gonna use the markings tonight because this thing has a stupid amount of decals for it. So these for here and here, these go with the markings on the body. These go on the wing, literally right here. These are the steps, they go on the side of the body. So there's all kinds. You're going to be playing with these decals for hours, getting them all on. But I like the fact that they are all there. It's got your do not steps, your stair markings, your fuel door markings, your pickup point markings, your emergency. It's got all your numbers for your hookup points and everything. So this is your squadron marking. This is your kill tally. Funny part is these on the Germans go on the rudder. The kill tallies go on the rudder. This goes on the side up here. The no step lines, like this red dotted line, goes right here. This is the radiator. So got a bowl of good warm water. Always make sure it's warm, because for some reason decals come off the sheet better in warm water. I don't like to do these multiple at a time. I do them one at a time so that you're not trying to rush and get something done. So while you drop this one in the warm water to soak, take this, make sure it's shook up because it's water based. Put a little bit of it on the wing, and then do this. It's water based so it'll dry, but that helps clean the paint, prep the paint, and it puts you for where your decal's gonna go. And this is the map for the decals. So I did a bigger area than I needed to, but I wanted to show you how to use this stuff. You see the decals go right here. The iron cross goes right there. So I'm just making sure this is good and clean. And most of the time this kind of decal doesn't take long. So you find your set mark, which is the slat on the front of the wing. If you look right here, you see the center of the top arms on the slat on the wing. you come up here, you get it in place, and just pull it off. And then you take a paintbrush or something of the sort, sometimes you have to actually brute force it with your hand. Actually, funny part is I grabbed the wrong one. This is one for here. Let's see, using the decal fix that's just on the brush. Look at how well the decal stuck. I just grabbed the, I thought, for some reason I was thinking that was a wing, and it's not. Again, look at your numbers. I almost messed that one up because I didn't look at the right number, because the bottom of the wing is that. So that is a number 1. Which is this one. So let's put that one on. But as you can see, that decal went on there nice and smooth, and the decal fix allowed it to suck right up to the paint. And there's no wrinkles in it, nothing. And that's what you want to get, is you don't want any wrinkles. You want it smooth so it looks like it's painted on. And after you get your decals on and you get everything where you want it, you have to mask off your canopy again. But you shoot a thing of a matte gloss or a matte finish varnish on it, and it kills all shine of the decals being the transfers, and you get like it's all painted with flat paint. Now we put the right one on here and it'll look right. Now right there's the slat line in the middle. You're parallel to that parting line for the wing. You know, make sure you're right. You're parallel to that parting line. And then you take, or at least I do, I take a napkin or a paper towel and I blot them, try and push them down into the party lines and the panel lines so that they're all stuck down in the panel lines. So you have that crease right there. See where the panel line goes through the decal? Now the fun part is matching, because now you got to put this one in the exact same spot. So I'll finish the decals and have this all done by the next time you see it, so I can go over some of the weathering I want to do and show you guys some of my techniques for weathering. You have a good night and enjoy modeling.